Today I'm in Orange Park, Florida, a suburb of Jacksonville, Florida, and we are in Duval County. I'm in the Seasons at Asher's Landing paired villa community by Richmond American Homes. And a little while back, I did a community very similar to this called the Seasons at Park Trace. We're going to put the thumbnail up so you can see that. That's in Riverside, Avondale, that part of Jacksonville. It's north of here, still across the river where we are today. Still very popular communities. You can still buy in there as well. But there's a lot of people that are also interested in Orange Park. So I thought I would tell you about this community. Very important. They are offering through their preferred finance company 5.5% fixed interest, 30 years. 5.5% fixed, that's pretty huge. They do have quick move-in homes available, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Both of these homes are around 2,000 square feet with a 2-car garage. You do have a front yard and a backyard. You can fence the backyard, but if you leave it unfenced, the HOA takes care of your yard maintenance for you, front and back. But you're gonna wanna stick around because we're getting after it right now. All right, we're gonna jump right into it with the Sandalwood. Let's go. So we have the Sandalwood model. This is 2,010 square feet. This home has vinyl siding, so that'll be real easy maintenance. You just pressure wash, no need to paint. You have 8-foot door openings, and you have 9-foot ceilings here on the first floor. Looking back at the entryway, that's your entrance out to your garage. Nice linen, sorry, coat closet there, not a linen closet. Wanted to make sure you know that they include, with the purchase of the home, the refrigerator, stainless steel, washer and dryer, window blinds. Pretty cool, right? Quartz counters. Nice shaker cabinets. This will actually be a microwave. This is a model, so they have the Vena hood there. There is your pantry. This is your powder room, half bath. You get a screened back patio included. That's cool, right? And you can fence the backyard if you want to, but again, if you fence the backyard, you're going to be responsible for your own backyard lawn maintenance. They have a nice area here for dining. You could leave that open if you wanted to and just focus here on eating at your huge island kitchen. Very nice living area here. Before we get too far along, we're going to put up a Google map so you can see where the Seasons at Asher Landing is located in relationship to the city of Jacksonville, Florida. It's only 15 minutes from Naval Air Station Jacksonville. It's 5 minutes from I-295. It's about 20 minutes from I-10. It's about 20 minutes from downtown Jacksonville, and it's about 15 minutes from the Shoppes of Avondale. Go to the right. Here we have one of your bathrooms with a tub shower combination. So that's bathroom number 1. We already saw the half bath down below. Here's another bedroom. Making a turn to the right. This is bedroom number too. Have this very nice, beautiful loft area here. Love this wood and metal railing. That's your mechanical closet where your air handler is. This is your laundry room, so you have upstairs laundry. And again, remember the washer and dryer are included in the purchase. You have more storage here. Here we have the owner's suite. This is a king-size bed with nightstands. Looking out onto your backyard. Beautiful dual vanities, again with quartz counters. Really large walk-in closet. That's for all your data devices and wiring. Very generous walk-in shower, and it's tiled up to the ceiling. And here's your water closet. All right, let's talk about pricing here at the Seasons in Asher's Landing. So you can pick up a Rosewood, which is 1,970 square feet. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, front yard, backyard, all that. You can pick one of these up for in the low 290s. Yes, you heard right. In the low 290s, you can pick up a Rosewood, quick move in, ready to go right now. If you want to pick up a Sandalwood, which is slightly larger, those will be in the low 300s, like really low 300s. You can pick up a Sandalwood. Right now we're going to do a walkthrough on the Rosewood. Let's go. Again, beautiful vinyl siding here. It's beautiful because it's easy to take care of and it looks good. You have a nice covered entryway here. Really nice leaded glass door. Really beautiful nickel hardware on all the doors. Luxury vinyl plank flooring. There's your powder room. We're in the main living area of the home right now. Looking back at the entryway. Looking at your beautiful kitchen. There's your backyard. You have a pantry here. I love these cabinets. This dove gray color. You've got tiled black splash. Quartz counters again. Again, all of your appliances are included. That includes the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. That goes out into your garage. You have under the stairs storage. You have this nice mudroom study area here. There's the microwave that I talked about that you'll have. That would be the same as in the Sandalwood. Of course, if you don't want this screen in, it doesn't have to be, but that's always an option. And let's take a look upstairs. Looking down at the stairs up. Here on the right, you have your first full bathroom with a tub shower combo. Linen closet. Going to the right, here's bedroom number 1. Closet space. Here's bedroom number 2, and they have this set up as a nursery. There's your laundry room with your new washer and dryer. That's a mechanical closet for your air handler. Beautiful loft area here. You have a big screen TV set up. Nice place to watch television upstairs. Or do some gaming. Do some Nintendo. And here we are in the owner's suite. Again, this is a king-size bed with nightstands. Easily accommodates that furniture in here. Looking back on your backyard. Large master closet. Water closet. You have dual vanities here and walk-in shower. I hope you enjoyed today's video about the Seasons at Asher's Landing here in Orange Park, Florida, the suburb of Jacksonville, Florida. If you've got any questions about this community or the Seasons at Park Trace community, which is up in Riverside, Avondale, reach out to me. We're going to put my phone number and email up on the screen. I'll be the one reaching back out to you. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, no worries. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.